why Owl's head turns all the way around. You see, there was a time when Owl was not so very awake. She had tiny little eyes and tiny little ears. Hey, lazy feathers, I'm talking to you.
Huh? Who's that?
You're supposed to be guarding Eagle's nest, not using it as a pillow. See? Tiny eyes, tiny ears, and very, very lazy.
Somebody is stealing mangoes. Outrageous.
Shouldn't be allowed.
Warthog, it is certainly not allowed. Elephant, summon the animals, please.
Meeting.
Wake up, lazy feathers!
Do it, do.
Hi. Oh. Made it.
What is this meeting for? How's my nest? My nest! How's my nest?
Yes, I did rest. Thank you.
No, I said how's my...
Silence! Something is very wrong in Tinga Tinga. Only yesterday there was a big pile of mangoes here. Now look what remains.
And what does that mean?
Some animal is taking mangoes without permission.
Terrible. Wasn't me.
Birds, have you seen anything from the skies?
Not a single thing, not a single thing.
Owl! We have not seen anything.
Owl?
I told you, Lion, we birds have not seen a single thing. Especially Owl, who's been guarding my nest. Haven't you, Owl?
Yes, I've been guarding.
Frog, have you seen anything?
No.
Look, the mangoes have gone.
I haven't stolen
the mangoes?
What's happening?
Viviani! Silence!
May I suggest something, Your Highness?
Tortoise.
We should guard all the mango piles day and night. And that way, we will catch the thief.
Excellent suggestion, Tortoise. Excellent. Owl!
That's you!
Yes, Your Majesty.
You must report back to me with news from the mango piles.
But...
No buts.
What did Lion say?
Owl!
What? Jambo Frog, anything strange?
Quiet night here. Nothing strange at all. As you can see.
Good, huh?
And you? How are things?
Oh, you know, trying my best to stay awake, but all this flying around all night long, it's very tiring. My back isn't what it used to be, and I can't keep my eyes open. They're too
The
small.
mangoes have gone!
Heavy.
The mangoes have gone!
How on earth did that happen?
I have no idea.
I'd better check on the other mango piles. Elephant, Tortoise, is everything okay here with the mangoes?
Why, of course it is, Owl. Everything's fine, isn't it, Elephant?
Good. You know, because Frog's pile disappeared right before my very eyes.
Oh, my! The thief must be very clever. But we are much cleverer than any thief, aren't we, Elephant?
No. Yes. Oh, yeah.
You see, my plan is foolproof. With Elephant actually standing over the mangoes and me keeping watch, no animal could ever get past us. Not in a million years.
Not even in a billion years.
Impossible. You see... What? They've gone! The mangoes have gone! No! The mangoes have gone!
Oh, no, it's happened again. Oh. Your mangoes. Where are your mangoes?
A simple good evening would be nice, Owl.
I don't mean to be rude. It's just that mangoes are disappearing right before my very eyes.
This is incredibly serious. What happened?
Well, first it was with frog, then with tortoise and elephant, and as we were talking, they just disappeared.
Oh, the mangoes have gone.
Oh, no, not again. What am I going to do?
All gone?
I'm afraid so, Your Majesty.
Owl, you were there every time the mangoes disappeared, and you didn't see a thing?
No, Your Majesty, I didn't see anything.
Monkeys, this is not a joking matter.
May I suggest something, Your Majesty? We must guard the mango tree. If we don't, we may not have any mangoes left.
Yes.
A very important job. Who will volunteer? What? No beast?
I will.
Lion, I'm afraid I may have over-exaggerated Owl's suitability for the job.
I won't fail this time, Your Majesty. I promise.
Very well, Owl. But don't let us down again.
I won't.
You must be alert and awake at all times.
I will be, Your Majesty. Asante. Thank you. Oh, you don't know what this means to me. I'm so
Eyes as big as the moon.
Eyes as big as the moon. Eyes as big as the moon. Eyes as big as the moon. Eyes as big as the moon. Eyes as big as the moon.
Do you really think this is going to work?
My friend, do you have a better idea?
Eyes as big as the moon. Eyes as big
Time's
as...
up.
Are they still as big as the moon?
They are. Your eyes are as big as the moon.
No, you'll be able to see anything coming, day or night.
Huh? Speak up.
I said you'll be able to... Oh, this is hopeless. Elephant, give a good old blow to help Owl's tiny ears hear better. Stand back, everyone.
Elephants,
Sorry, I meant to blow, but a trumpet came out.
Oh, that's okay, Elephant. Now I can hear. Oh, I can hear and see everything. I'm definitely going to catch that mango thief now.
Excellent.
Good luck, Owl.
Good luck, Owl.
Eyes as big as the moon. Eyes as big as the moon. Eyes as big as the moon. Eyes as big... Oi! You naughty... Don't you dare you stop her. Oh, you naughty... Oh, I can't see. Behind me. I can't see. Oh, I can see. Naughty... What? It's the ants! It's the ants, everybody! The ants are stealing the mangoes! I've got the thief! I got the thief! Woohoo!
They're back.
Well done, Owl.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Now, ants, what are we going to do with you?
Banish the ants underground.
Well said, well said.
Kimieni, silence! Ants. Stealing is against nature's law. What were you thinking? True, but you did steal them.
We need food. Must have food.
Also true. Well, animals, from now on, all of you must remember to leave scraps on the ground so that you, ants, will always have something to eat.
Yes, we thank you, Asante. We thank you.
Owl, good job guarding the mango tree.
Thank you, Your Highness. Now I can hear even the tiniest sound. And look, I can see all around me, too.
Amazing.
I can see this way. And that way.
How useful, Owl! From this day, you will be the official night guard for the whole of Tinga Tinga.
I will stay awake all night to see and hear everything. Look, I am seeing everything. Everything I can see.
So that's why Owl's head turns all the way around.
That way. Oh, put me down, you naughty ants. Every way I can see.
And why are ants so strong? Well, that's a whole other story. Goodbye. While Tigbird sits on Hippo's back. You see, Tigbird didn't always sit on Hippo's back.
Look at us, two fine birds. And such beautiful, calm water. Oh, my favorite time of day.
You'd never ever see Tigbird near Hippo, if she could help it.
A nice, quiet morning drink.
Hippo, not again! In fact, there was a time when Tigbird and Hippo weren't friends at all. Hippo! Hippo! It's not funny! It's not funny! A tick!
Tasty. Tick, tick. Get off! I have ticklish skin. I don't like being stood on.
Stop splashing! It's not funny! It's not funny!
Get off! Get off!
Stop splashing!
I'm ticklish.
Don't like it, huh?
Peace and quiet at last. Maybe now we can have a drink before Hippo starts splashing about again.
It would be nice if we could all have our breakfast in peace.
So snappy!
I think we're safe.
Oh, that's enough!
Let's find somewhere else to drink. A water hole that stretches as far as I can see. At last, a peaceful drink.
Salty water! Yuck!
Well, what do you expect from the sea?
Tortoise? This is the sea?
Oh, yes. I like to come and warm my shell on the sand just as the sea is going out.
Going out? Where to?
Who knows? But out it goes and in it comes again. Twice every day. You see, before, the sea came all the way up to here. And now look how far away it is. It's so clever. They call it a tide, you know.
That's all very well, Tortoise. But I don't like the taste of the salty sea for my breakfast drink.
Well, what's wrong with the water at the water hole?
Hippo is in it. Oh, she ruffled her feathers this morning. All that splashing and sploshing and the splishing.
I know. It's about time some beast told Hippo to stop.
That's it.
And I'm going to tell her. It's high time some little beast taught that big beast a lesson. Come on.
Tigbird, what are you doing?
Oh, Hippo!
Please, Hippo, stop.
Hippo!
Hippo won't listen. You'll just get splashed again.
Hippo! Stop! Splashing and splashing every beast. It's not funny. Not funny at all.
Quite right. Well said, little bird.
Splashing is not funny.
Get off! I have ticklish skin. I don't like being stood on.
Don't like me standing on you. Eh?
No, I don't. Not at all. Get off. Please.
Then I challenge you to a contest.
A contest? You challenge me?
Yes,
Is that it?
No. If I win, I can stand on you forever.
If you win, not a chance.
What is this challenge, Tickbird?
The challenge is who can drink the most water in a single gulp.
But you'll never drink more than me.
Do you accept the challenge?
Of course I accept, because I will win. No doubt about it.
You have all heard. Hippo has accepted the challenge. You, Tickbird, must choose the time and place.
We will go to the sea.
And the time?
Tomorrow, breakfast time.
Attention all! The challenge is set. Tomorrow breakfast time at the sea.
So what are you thinking, Tickbird? If you have a plan, I would like to know.
I do have a plan, but it's a secret.
We won't tell anybody.
What are friends for?
Well, I chose the sea because of what Tortoise said.
Ah, clever Tickbird. The tides.
The tides?
The water going up and down twice a day.
Huh? Sorry, still don't get ya. Big head, see? Tiny brain.
Don't worry, Elephant. I don't understand it either.
You'll have to wait and see.
See you at breakfast.
This is a contest to see who can drink the most water in one gulp.
Not much of a contest if you ask me.
I didn't ask you, Hippo. Now, you will drink first. If Tickbird wins, Tickbird will be allowed to stand on Hippo's back forever. But if Hippo wins, Hippo can splosh and jump as much as she likes. Is it understood?
It is.
It is.
Hippo, it is time for you to take your drink.
Ooh, the challenge.
Oh, Elephant, watch this, watch this.
Beat that, little bird.
Right.
Come on, Tickbird.
Yay, Tickbird.
Not yet, not yet. No.
Come on, Tickbird. It can't be.
Hippo drank the water from this line to this line. And Tickbird drank the water from this line all the way to this line. Hey! Well done, Tickbird.
The difference is clear. I declare Tickbird the winner.
Well done, Tickbird.
Tickbird can now stand on you anytime she likes.
It's not fair. It must be a trick.
Shush, Hippo. You must honor the challenge.
Oh, yes, Your Majesty.
And do you know, from the day of the Great Water Challenge, every animal was happy because Hippo didn't splish and splosh all day. Tickbird was happy because she had all the food she could eat.
Yummy, yummy ticks.
And Hippo was happy because Tickbird ate all the tickly ticks. And that's why Tickbird sits on Hippo's back.
I still don't get it.
Tickbird didn't really drink half the sea. It was the tide going out.
But going where?
Never mind, Elephant. Tickbird won, and that's all we need to know.
Every animal was happy.
Out of my way.
except crocodile. But that's a whole other story.
Tinga sky. Tinga tinga tinga.
Cheza, cheza. Come on, dance. Imba, imba. Come on, sing.
Tinga tinga tinga.
Shuka, shuka. Shake it down. Woo-hoo. Ruka, ruka. Jump around. Woo. Tales from Africa.
Tales from Africa.